Hello children, I hope you all are doing well. So I am back and I'm going to present part 2 video of the same lesson Birds Talk. I hope you will enjoy doing different activities with me. So, what shall we learn through this video? First of all, we will revise recitation of the poem Birds Talk. We will develop skills of reading, listening, writing, vocabulary and speaking. We shall discuss some text-based question answers. We shall learn about the sounds of birds. We shall construct a story based on birds. We shall learn some rhyming words and we will learn to read aloud some new words. So, let's recite and recapitulate Birds Talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden talking one day. Think about the people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So in this poem, two birds are there, Robin and Jay. They are sitting on a branch of tree in the garden and they are discussing some questions, some things among themselves. That is, why people, that means human beings, are different from them. They don't grow the way birds grow. They don't have feathers and they don't have wings. And human beings don't eat beetles like birds. And human beings don't like sitting on wires and things. So that is why, because of such differences, Robin and Jay are thinking that human beings are really funny because they are very much different from the birds. So, first of all, we will discuss some text-based questions. Name the two birds in the poem. So before writing the answer, we must remember some keywords related to the answer. We have to answer the name of two birds in the poem. Two birds are Robin and Jay. But we have to write in complete sentence. So it will be like, two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Question number 2 is, what are the three things that people can't do? So here also we have to learn three keywords: feathers, beetles and wings. So answer is, people can't grow feathers and wings. They don't eat beetles. So human beings don't grow feathers and wings and we don't eat beetles. So question number 3 is, what do birds think of people? What do birds think of people? Can you give the answer? So here the keyword is funny. Birds think that people are funny because they are not like birds. So question number 4 is, what do the birds eat in the poem? So keyword is beetles. Birds eat beetles. Now we will discuss sounds of some birds. So chicken says cluck cluck. Cock says cock-a-doodle-doo. Dove tweet. Dove tweets. Duck says quack quack. Owl says hoot hoot. Cuckoo says cuckoo cuckoo. And robin says, robin and sparrow and some other birds, they says like this, chirp 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 chirp. So these were some of the sound of different birds. Now we have to make stories on birds by using these keywords given in this cloud. So I have made my own story, but you can also make your own story by using these words. So you can see in this picture some geese are there. This is a group of geese, a flock of geese. So, once some geese were living in a forest. They had a nest on a tree. They used to fly high and chirp all the day. One day a hunter came and shoot a bow towards them. It hurt the wings of one of the geese. All the geese helped it and flew away towards the sky with one wounded goose. As you know, here I have used one word, goose. Goose means one bird, and when you have more than one bird, that is 2 or 3 or 5 or 6, so the same birds are called geese. If you have one goose, that will be goose. If you have two goose, they will be called geese. So this is what I have used new thing for you, but you can make your own story as well. So now we will discuss some rhyming words. So before initiating it, I want you to know what are the rhyming words. Rhyming words can be said like same sounding words, the words which resemble same sound, like grow, know, throw, day, bay, clay, think, blink, clink, funny, bunny, tummy, eat, seat, beat, sing, king, ring. Here you can observe one thing. At the last of each word, some letters are similar. Like here you can see day, ay, bay, clay. Think you can see nk, in blink you can see nk, and clink you can see nk. Ink are common in these words. So last letters are most of the time common in rhyming words, and this is how you can identify some of the rhyming words. Now these are some words given in the textbook, and we will say them aloud. Say, think, this, 10, thin, that, top, 3, the, tank. So I hope you enjoyed doing all the exercises. You can repeat these exercises at your home by writing them in your copies as well. Thank you so much, and I will come back to you with my part 3 video on birds talk.